Hey everyone, Dr. Mike here. Today we're diving into a topic that affects us all at some point or another. Fatigue. Whether you're a student, a professional, or a busy parent, feeling tired can really put a damper on your day. We've all been there. That mid-afternoon slump hits, and it feels like you're dragging yourself through the rest of the day. And you're reaching for another cup of coffee, hoping it will give you the boost you need to power through. But what if I told you there are healthier, more sustainable ways to boost your energy without relying on caffeine? Imagine feeling energized and alert without the jitters or the inevitable crash. In this video, I'm sharing 5 science-backed tips to help you stay awake and alert throughout the day. These tips are easy to implement and can fit into any lifestyle. We're talking about simple, actionable strategies that can make a real difference in how you feel. From adjusting your diet to incorporating short breaks, these tips are designed to help you maintain your energy levels naturally. So put down that coffee cup and let's dive into some natural ways to conquer those energy dips. Stay tuned because by the end of this video, you'll have the tools you need to feel more energized and productive every day. First up, let's get physical. When you move your body, you increase blood flow and oxygen to your brain, which naturally wakes you up. Think about it. Have you ever noticed how a quick workout or even just a brisk walk can clear your head and leave you feeling more energized? You don't need to run a marathon here. Even a few minutes of light exercise can make a big difference. Try some jumping jacks, stretches, or a quick lap around the office. Your brain will thank you. Next up is something so simple, yet so often overlooked: staying hydrated. Dehydration can lead to fatigue, headaches, and difficulty concentrating. Even mild dehydration can sap your energy levels. The solution? Keep a water bottle handy and sip on it throughout the day. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water daily. You'll be amazed at how much more alert and focused you feel when you're properly hydrated. Chapter 3. The Cold Water Challenge. This next tip is a quick and easy way to jolt yourself awake. Cold water therapy. Splashing cold water on your face, wrists, or even the back of your neck can trigger a physiological response that increases alertness. It's like hitting the reset button on your nervous system. Think about how you feel after a cold shower. Invigorated, right? Keep this trick in mind for those moments when you need an instant energy boost. Chapter 4. Let the sunshine in. Sunlight plays a crucial role in regulating our circadian rhythm, which controls our sleep-wake cycle. Exposure to natural light during the day helps keep our internal clock in sync, promoting better sleep at night and more energy during the day. So, open those blinds, take a walk outside, or simply sit by a window for a few minutes. Let that natural light work its magic. Chapter 5. Breathe your way to energy. Our final tip is all about harnessing the power of your breath. Breathing is something we do every moment of our lives, yet we often overlook its potential to transform our energy levels and mental clarity. Deep breathing exercises can increase oxygen flow to your brain, reducing stress and promoting alertness. By taking slow, deliberate breaths, you can activate your body's relaxation response, which helps to calm your mind and rejuvenate your body. When we're stressed or tired, we tend to take shallow breaths, which can actually make us feel more anxious and fatigued. Shallow breathing limits the amount of oxygen that reaches our brain and muscles, exacerbating feelings of stress and tiredness. Take a few minutes to practice deep, diaphragmatic breathing. This technique involves breathing deeply into your diaphragm rather than shallowly into your chest, which can help to maximize oxygen intake and promote a sense of calm. Inhale slowly through your nose, filling your belly with air, and exhale slowly through your mouth. Focus on the rise and fall of your abdomen as you breathe, and try to make each breath deeper and more controlled than the last. You'll be surprised how much more energized and focused you feel after just a few rounds of deep breathing. This simple, yet powerful practice can be done anywhere, anytime, making it a versatile tool for boosting your energy and enhancing your well-being. So there you have it, 5 simple, yet powerful ways to stay awake and energized throughout your day. These methods are designed to be easy to incorporate into your daily routine, without relying on caffeine. These tips are all about working with your body's natural rhythms and finding balance. Whether it's through meditation, a refreshing walk, or some light exercises, you can find what suits you best, and using simple strategies to boost your energy levels. Give them a try and see what works best for you. Planning your day, eating healthy snacks, and taking short breaks can make a significant difference. And be sure to let me know in the comments which tip you found most helpful. Your feedback is invaluable and helps others in the community. Try these hacks and say goodbye to coffee crashes. Embrace a more natural way to stay alert and productive. Which one worked best for you? Was it the morning stretch, the healthy snack, or perhaps the short break? Let me know in the comments. Your experiences can inspire others to find their perfect energy-boosting routine.